Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to download Zscaler for Windows. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to download and start using the Zscaler client on your PC here, or if you just want to install Zscaler here, well, the thing with this one is kind of complicated. Now, typically you have two options for downloading Zscaler. Now, first is if you are a user, and second is if you're an admin. Now, the thing with this one is this is directly from Zscaler's help article as well. Now, if you are a user, so if you want to start using Zscaler here, you need to ask your organization or your schools or your company's admin or IT administration or IT support to get a link or a special link where you can download the actual Zscaler client connector. So basically, in order for you to download it and install this in your PC or even get the installer itself, you need to contact your IT admin or support or IT support. Now, in this case, like for example, if you are, let's just say, the admin or the IT support team and you're wondering how to exactly download that, well, you can actually get that from the Zscaler App Store. Now, typically to do that, this is directly from their website as well. So you just need to go to the infrastructure page, go to common resources, go to deployments, and go to platform releases. Now, go to the new releases tab here, and from then on, you should be able to see the new releases here. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the release that you want to download here. So, for example, if you want to get the 32-bit for the EXA URL or the MSI URL here, depends on what you need. And also, if you want to know what's actually changed, the release notes, you should see the eye icon here. But yeah, so in this case, you go and just click on the appropriate download buttons there. And from then on, once you've downloaded that, you can go and just proceed with the installation. Now, by the way, in order for you to actually download from the App Store here, you need to also have the credentials for your company. So you may need to interact with your management here and see what's the actual account. So the account details in order for you to access the actual App Store here for Zscaler. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.